Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Mohican knot. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's going to be at my belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put a fold in there. Bring it over to the center. I'm going to come up and over here like this. We're going to keep this knot kind of loose so you can see the details in it. I'm going to do a wreath. I'm going to come around. Leave it open. Going to do a wreath over here. I'm going to tuck it down here like this, and I want to leave this open here like this. Like that. This is going to be an open knot. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to come around this one right here. Then we're going to come across the whole thing. Come back around as it's still folded in half. And we're going to come up and over like so. Going to open this up. And we'll put this underneath here like this. There we go. So again, on your own side, my friends, your favorite one for made. Follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. And also go check out our sister channel, Stylish Leadership. Peace and God bless.